And I'm back, guys. Trading same shit because I'm still holding long for my IM session. I added to my position, guys, and I mean, I already had like lunch. I played with my son. I had 2 Zoom meetings today. And guys, I'm still holding. I'm still holding this shit. I will partial like at 7:79 on AM. Guys, excuse me, but I'm still holding. That's wild. I mean, my trade, guys, 1 tick away from stop loss. 1 tick away from stop loss. And I was like, I'm done for the day. My son went with my husband. They went to school to pick my another son from school. So, guys, I mean, what the heck? How this trade survived? I didn't want to stream, but I was like, I'm still holding. Like, why not to back to stream? Because like nothing changed since morning. I added to my position. See this? What happened here? See this? It failed to close below 70.5%. I added. I didn't want to add, but since it failed, I was like, I will add a little bit to my position. Survived. Oh God. You still in? High five. Like, I don't know, guys, how I survived because it was tick away from stop loss. Damn, tick away from stop loss. Yes, with expecting 70.5%, I was like, damn, no way, I'm gonna hold this. So, guys, my partial is sitting at 62% of this OT retracement. Guys, if you were watching my IM session stream, we went long, and I'm still holding this long. I mean, absolutely nothing changed since like hour ago. I mean, I wish I could be stopped, but guys, we still holding we holding same trade. I mean, I was ready to be stopped. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, I'm gonna enjoy my day. Like, why am I gonna trade this shit? Like, no way. I'm gonna trade, like, where we entered, guys, this morning? Here. No, yeah, we entered here. My stop loss was at 59.50, guys. It didn't stop me out. I added here. I actually can show 1 second. Let me open executions. I was setting with a couple of micros, like 1 micro, 2 micros, add to position. Oh, let's hold. Yeah, Chris, how are you? Chris, I'm still holding. I added to my position, my average right now somewhere here. I know, guys, I did really good. I mean, I didn't do good, but gold. Once again, guys, let's talk about gold. That's why I want to start stream. I want to talk about SPX and gold. So what is going on here? That's exactly what we wanted to see, right? So what is going on gold? We did trace to 50% of this morning week, news week, like how to call this whatever you like. We did trace to this news week, but ideally I still would like to get OT. Let's see. First, guys, in order to engage in longs, I want to get what? I want to get down close candle, up close candle on 15, another up close candle gonna be my entry for long to aim for 45.09. So I'm honestly happy to see how it felt here at 10:15 today. Really happy with this. I wanted to see, if I want to be bullish today, I wanted to see price retracing to OT, right? To OT of this week, and if it's gonna be bullish confirmation, engage in longs on gold. So right now we retraced, so let's see if we're gonna hold this. I need to get down close candle. After this, from OT, I would like to get up close candle. and second up close candle gonna be my entry. IM was shit, was ridiculous, was crap, was illegal, was, I don't know, like how to call this. So here is OT. That's exactly what I want to see. Let's do it for now. Because I was thinking maybe I want to trade gold during PM session. Honestly, that's why I started streaming. So I want to see how we're gonna hold this area. My partial on AS set higher. The problem is on vertical mode, if I'm gonna switch on Ninja Trade, I will not be able to see charts and TradingView. You know, like I'm holding same long guys since AM session, nothing changed. Like really nothing changed. So right now, perfect. 3 minutes left on this candle. Let's see if next candle, 15-minute candle, will close bullish. If so, entry for longs, stop loss below OT or near swing low, target 45.09. Yeah, guys, I wish we traded. I mean, you know, I cannot say like I wish we traded gold. Gold was shit as well. Let's be honest, you know. Short was here once again. Yes, nice, perfect, but once again it still was shit. Why? You know why I back again? Because I'm still holding same long on yes. It didn't stop me out. I mean, it was trying to stop me out, but it didn't. Because I was ready to observe this reaction, right? Closure below 70.5%. Let's try to short this shit. I mean, I'm not going to short. To gap fill and sell side liquidity, I really was kind of confident it's gonna drop here, like over here. It was like really ready for this, but it had different plans. So right now, what I want to do, I guess I'm gonna highlight this level. So basically, let me change the colors, I guess. Basically, what I'm watching is retracing back to premium at least. Hit of 62%, 70.5%. That's where I want to partial. But I don't know. Guys, today's price action. Guys, I'm still holding same long. I'm still holding, right? Is that crazy? I added at the bottom over here. Once it failed to close, I added. So my average right now, like lower, it's over here, somewhere over here. But I added over here. Why? Because see, our plan was to look for short if 2-minute candle gonna close below 70.5%. See, it failed twice. 1, 2, failed. It's guys evals. I'm just watching right now. Let's check in Q. Damn, in Q looks good. I'm gonna set alert here for my partial. But look at NQ. NQ just broke above 10 AM open. ES holding above 10 AM open. The problem is NQ is above weekly open. ES is below weekly open. That's the problem, though. But I want to see displacement on NQ. NQ looks honestly better. See what is going on NQ, guys? See how it was trying to build low resistance liquidity run? Just need to hold 10 AM open, long above this level to aim for this high and 30,000. Oh, it's actually 30,000, right? Yeah, previous weekly high level then. You know, for giveaway, let's do giveaway. But 1 second, I'm gonna set up giveaway now. I guess 1 account for this session. Let's do Lucid Daily. What do you think about this? Lucid Daily, okay? New plan from Lucid. One second. Let's set this up. Like new plan from Lucid. Let's do Lucid Daily. It's new plan, so you can request daily payouts. Oops. 1 second, I will set this up. 50K. Where is my daily? Ow. Let's do one. What time is this now? 1, right? Let's do a tutorial so more people can enter. Guys, enter giveaway. I'm running lucid accounts right now for giveaway. I'm gonna send link as well in the chat. Brand new plan. I'm gold, not on gold, on yes long since morning. I'm gonna send link 1 second, guys. No. What? Oh, okay. Gold long, if you want to try to long on gold, guys, listen careful right now. If you want to try to long on gold, you want to see in 12 minutes, this 15-minute candle closes bullish. Then you're long at the next 15-minute candle with stop loss below near swing low, and you're gonna aim for new high of the day. That's our morning plan. Nothing changed. Remember our morning plan? We want to see down close candle at OT of this news week on 15-minute chart. Remember this we discussed? Possible long setup. Then bullish candle, which confirms possible reaction reversal. Next up close candle long. Guys, I posted for giveaway. I think the real move gonna have. I mean, maybe. You know, yeah, sure. Like everything is possible. I still want to see a bit higher, at least back to OT of an on SPX. I'm gonna partial there. On NQ, once again, plan on NQ. We definitely can get nice trade on NQ as well. But first, I would like to see we're holding above 10 AM open on NQ. See, we have loaded this liquidity run. Nice accumulation, manipulation, possible distribution to take Monday, not Monday high, IM session high, and possible move towards previous weekly high level. Honestly, since IM was chopped, PM session tends to be good, like really solid one. How was my lunch? Not bad. I played with my son. He went to dentist. He's good. He's truly good. So plan is some displacement, retest. I want to see move towards IM session high. Not sure about stop loss. I mean, I'm really not sure yet. Then move towards previous weekly high. Something like that. Guys, I'm in longs. I'm in longs since when we entered this trade, guys. Like jokes aside, what time we entered? 10:42. Guys, I'm in this trade for almost 3 hours. I mean, I really was ready to say, like, you know, like, stop me out, like, whatever. But for some reason, market maker said, Dasha, relax. We will go, like, 1 tick above your stop loss. 1 tick, 1 dumb tick above your stop loss. And, you know, we will continue going higher. And I will say, like, you know, thank you so much. I really appreciate this. But you're forcing me to stay here for forever, like forever. Guys, lots of people keep saying Dasha trade PM session, Asia. I mean, I'm kind of busy like right now during Asia because like my kids start attending lots of classes. Not going to go higher. I mean, we will see. I'm gonna partial at 7 at this OT, which will give me like almost 14 points. I mean, you know, you never know. Oops. Whatever. Lots of people were saying like it's gonna be flash, like big flash. Where's big flash? Excuse me. See how market holding 70.5%? By default, I can short this. But I'm kind of happy, maybe, with this trade. Oh, first closure on 5 above 10 AM open. Let's see if it's gonna bounce now. It's my partial here. Partial here. Come on, partial me. I'm about to partial at 77.77 on ES. I'm gonna turn on executions to show you. Actually, I think I don't show you executions. Wow. Dasha, what's wrong with you? So it's your partial here. You just hit OT. I'm gonna take like some contracts off here. Partialed. Damn. That's wild. Let me switch. That's wild. But guys, you will not see my trading view if you're watching in vertical mode. Sorry about this, but it's partial here. So I said I added the bottom to my trade. So far, down $50 on my vals after my first loss. Okay. Not bad. So I just highlighted buy side liquidity level on SPX. So I partial pretty much over here at 77.77 on ES, which lines up with my OT levels on SPX. Let's see if it may continue grading higher. If so, nice. Still keeping my eyes on gold. 5 minutes left on this candle. So today I only traded a vals. It's my second trade. Second trade taken today on morning steam. I'm just still holding this. I did at the bottom. That's why you see like after a partial, it's shifted over here. Right now I'm holding like good in realized panel, but realized panel I'm down $50. No, it's not 1 It's gonna adjust. It's gonna be adjusted. So once it's gonna close like 10 contracts, it's gonna be adjusted to 3. Don't worry about this. This is how it works. Our line since this morning, nothing changed. Wow, that's actually crazy, guys. But you know what will be funny? Not funny is this low resistance liquidity run. That's why it's better to take some profit off the table, right? But At the same time, what will be funny if it's gonna really make new highs today? I don't expect this. I don't expect anything like really good one today. But if it's gonna really, guys, run higher, I will see biggest scam in this world. Yes, on my screen looks bad. I mean, guys, it looks bearish. It also looked bullish today. So it looked like it doesn't want to move. That's it. We may try to short maybe, but I don't want to do this. I'm not gonna lie here. So back to our original plan, we want to short below 70.5%. Maybe we're gonna do this. I don't know. But I'm gonna hold. You probably can't see my SPX chart, but I'm gonna show you 1 second. I'm gonna switch. It's just easier for me to be on TradingView. So what is going on here? As you can see, we're reacting from 62%. That's why I like really partialed here. So we trace back to premium. We retrace back to premium. Did we actually retrace back to premium? No, we didn't retrace back to premium on ES. So basically, you're still trying to respect 50% equilibrium. But what happened on SPX? We retraced back to premium. So what can happen now? I don't expect to get big drop unless it really wants to clear this low resistance liquidity run. But we definitely made a trace down to OT. But once again, since we're holding 70.5% and trying to stay above 50% of RTH gap, definitely it looks more bullish. And I would say any normal days, like normal days, not today. Today is a shit. Let's be honest. Any normal days, we will blast now. Like back to IM session high. Right now, no idea. Like really no idea what can happen. Definitely we can drop hard from here to fill the gap below 70.5%, trying to build liquidity once again, right? And after this we can like hit sell side. I'm actually can think about this, maybe on one account, but not going to copy like on all evals, just like to collect data maybe. But so far, once again, let's ignore chop that happened before. We're holding 50% of the gap. Price rejected from 70.5% several times. Definitely it's a bullish signal. So my long right now running from here. So I'm in this trade right now. Since I added, like, right now my average is here. Oi, what's that? What I'm trying to type. 1 second. 10:40 AM. I'm trading TPT and I'm testing 5 new accounts. I'm not going to tell you which prop firm because I'm just testing this. Not going to promote anything yet. Just 6 evals. It's my second trade today. 6 evals. Hey guys. I'm in longs, I'm in shorts. I mean, once again, I maybe can consider shorts, but from here. I mean, you know, absolutely zero reason for me to cut this trade simply because I'm holding this for 3 hours, almost 3 hours. No, I actually didn't add to my position until we got sweep here. Notice, like seriously, can you see my executions? Let me switch. I didn't add to my position here, here, here. I added only once we swept this level and rejected. That's it. It was just signal. Probably if I wasn't in long, I would enter it long here. I normally don't add. I didn't add like at this pullback. I'm not that crazy. But once price fell too close, I added. That's it. Like seriously. Because, for example, if I wasn't in this trade, I would probably just enter it here and that's it. Oh, guys. I remember people were telling me post CPI price action, best price action ever. And I'm like, excuse me? Nuns don't want to see price tracing back to OT. OT is, yeah, it's somewhere here, like over here. We'll laugh hard, guys, if it's gonna offer like new hives day. Like I don't expect once again this, and I don't think like I really need this, but oh, like it's a valuation, so I mean, what's the point to I mean, again, it doesn't gonna change situation. It's not about like profit here. It's a valuation. Seriously, if I'm gonna finish it, it's fine. But first, guys, we put our stop loss, remember, at 77.59 something. 50 or 0.25, don't remember for sure. So it was tick away from stop me out, like here, guys. Tick away from stopping me out. Like over here. Okay, not tick away. It was like at 50. 3 ticks away. But still close, right? Didn't stop me out. Market makers just trying to like say, Dasha, we want to keep you alive in this market. Like it's really so close. Oh yeah, it was. I mean, it's same trade we took like this morning. It's same trade, like nothing changed. I just added to my positions. That's why my average moved, and I took partial here. I partialed here right at the top, at 77.77. That's why like it moved here. But once again, with this partial, at least I'm pretty much break even on these accounts today. We will see, guys. Maybe this. Like, why not? Mm-hmm. But guys, jokes aside, like let's be serious right now. CPI. Oh, you shorting NQ. Okay. I mean, maybe it works. I'm not gonna argue. Like this just really shit today. What do you expect to get tomorrow? What do you expect to get tomorrow? Where are we going tomorrow? Ideally, guys, I want to see Tuesday low of the week profile. This means, okay, Wednesday might be chop. Maybe. It's okay. But tomorrow I want to see like higher. More shit. No, guys. No. I think after today, tomorrow gonna be expansion. And we need to be like early in our entries. I think tomorrow gonna be expansion. I think tomorrow we're gonna get nice trend day. And ideally it's gonna be to upside. I think we're gonna... I'm saying like right now we're gonna hit previous weekly high level. Tomorrow we'll just drop 1,000 points. But jokes aside, I don't mind to get expansion tomorrow towards previous weekly high level. I really want to see we holding previous daily low level today. I'm not sure, like nothing, like I cannot be sure, I cannot see the future, but ideally I want to see this. Ideally I want to see our profile is bullish the rest of the week, right? Like ideally 8 points higher. Yeah, it's around so. Long here. Oh, actually, let's see. Oh, we got bullish candle. Let me see something. You know, maybe not that bad. Maybe not that bad. Looks kind of good. Like, guys, what do you think about gold? You know, looks kind of solid, I would say. We closed. You know, let me think about this. Actually, let's switch on 5. I guess it's realistic for PM session, right? Let me open MGC. Oh, not here. I might need a trader. 1 second. Sorry, guys. How many points stop loss? Doesn't look bad. Which time frame is this? 5-minute chart. Let me think about this. Maybe we should try this long. Oh yeah, maybe I feel like it worth it, you know? Not sure what lower time frame entry I want to use. But no, it's kind of promising. Let's see. It doesn't look bad though. I think we may try this one. Let me switch on 15-minute chart on Ninja Trade to compare MGC. Yeah, let's see if it's gonna displace. I think I may try. Okay. Back on me, yes, I would like to get some sort of displacement above 70 to try. My long still survived on SPX though. Guys, I will keep my eyes on gold. We may actually try this one. Okay. Keep holding my long on ES. Let's keep holding. Okay, we'll keep my eyes on gold. Maybe. At least back to 44.80. Do we never see asset? How is it even possible? Like, you clearly can see here. You clearly can see here. I mean, how you cannot see my asset? You can see the price. It's either ES or MES. So, we don't have like too many options. You hate gold? I hate gold as well, but... why not, you know? If it's gonna displace above 44.70, I think I will give this a try. Like, I don't know. Somewhere above this fair value gap. Somewhere above this done close candle. I think so. Yeah, I need to like print this kind of picture. Yeah, sure. I know, I kind of like gold. Let's see. Just 3 points higher and maybe. Why not, you know? Of course, I'm not sure. Okay, whatever. I'm not sure I'm gonna hold here. But here, why not? I'm gonna open into another part of my screen. And Q still above 10 I'm open. And Q good? You're sure? Kind of questionable about good. Guys, post CPI price action used to be good. Like, seriously, it used to be good. But guys, I hope you survived today. I mean, in this price action, it's... I mean, like, it's really hard to hope. But, yeah. Everything used to be good before Trump. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, gold looks promising. Let's switch on gold real quick. Let me show you to people who are watching in vertical mode. Because for those who watching vertical mode, they cannot see TradingView while I'm showing Ninja Trader. Sorry, guys. I mean, nothing changed. You know where I entered, where my stop loss, where's my TP. Let's just keep this here, okay? Guys, I'm really thinking about gold now. For example, I have a question. People help. If let's... Oh, actually, I'm long on both. Okay, whatever. Never mind. Forget about this. I didn't want to say anything. Would like to get just closure about this fair value gap. But okay, question anyway, just for the future. I'm just not sure. Like I already asked before, but I still keep seeing posts about like it's like hedging. While you, let's say you're short gold, but long ES or NQ. Why is they call this hedging? Like it's two different assets. Why they call like that? I guess I need to open new chart because I think we're gonna execute to trades at the same time. MGC. 1 second. We'll try to template. I don't have template, right? Fuck. Whatever. How to chart trader. I think we can execute at the same time. How to... Let me save template. Template. Save as Dasha. Template. Load as Dasha. Amazing. What time frame we use here? 10-minute chart. It is the same? Yes, I think so. Okay, I think we're gonna execute on two markets at the same time. It's not a problem, I think so. I hope so, it's not a problem for us. I'm not talking about NQ, I'm talking about gold. We just got the closure. It looks solid. On MGC kind of looks different because we don't have this gap. I'm looking for longs on gold, I guess. Well, still holding my guys ES. Damn it. ES long as well. I know, it looks good on gold. Kind of ugly 5-minute chart though. But I will trade the vals, guys. I like gold long. I may try. Here. We'll trade some evaluations, guys. Since I already can afford to trade more. So I think I'm gonna execute gold. Because if I'm gonna get break even on ES, I'm gonna be like down $50 from my morning short, morning loss on longs. Yeah, I mean, I can risk technically like $300. So risking like 15 points on gold to make like 30 points, 2 micros. Yeah, we can do this. Okay, let's see. I will tell you once I enter long on gold. I just opened another chart there. Let's keep hold. Do I show you even executions? Yeah, I think you can see them. Not fun yet. No reaction from 70 yet on gold. Just will hold a little bit. But let me check height from candles. 30-minute chart looks good. I'm gonna add 50-minute as well. Where is it? By the end? No. Okay, 1 second. That's all I need. Let's hide this one. So I kind of consider this trade, guys. Would like to get some sort of displacement above 44.70. I might try second trade at the same time to run same trade. To run second trade at the same time with my ES long. But let's see. May actually try this one. Let's check in Q, guys. Oops. Guys, I mean, who's okay, whatever. Who said they holding short on NQ? Can you tell me, like, really a reason behind this? Like, what's the reason behind short on NQ? Why are you like willing to trade above 10 a.m. open? Like, seriously, just asking, just interesting. I mean, just explain the reason behind this. Why you want to short NQ? Because it failed to take CPI low? Like, serious question. I just need to know. I was saved somehow. Market makers love me. I mean, do you see how we're holding 10 a.m. open? Do you see how we're holding weekly open? Then question is, what do you want to see on ES? What level you expect to get on ES? I mean, I'm not talking it's impossible to get short. It's really possible. Everything is possible. It's fake pump. It's not answer. It's like, why it's fake pump? Why I cannot say it's fake, like fake move down? That's what I'm trying to understand. What I'm missing here. Because for me personally, it's long. mean, I'm okay with any like result, you know. But I'm still holding long. I mean, I'm still hoping for something. That's wild. Five. I mean, short definitely can play out. That's why I'm asking. Like, I see lots of people saying I'm in short right now. I'm just trying to understand why. I explained my reason behind my like short, like really guys, short-term bullish bias. But saying like I'm bullish because I'm bullish, it's kind of like, you know, gold, I want to long above 44.70. Would like to get like some sort of displacement. I would like to long above 44.70 with stop loss at 44.60 or 55. And I want to aim for 44.85. That's my plan for gold, which may actually take, guys. Because from what I see, once again, it means absolutely nothing for shorts or longs yet. But what I see how NQ respects in weekly open, so it's really trying to stay above this level. And I see how NQ trying to stay above 10 a.m. open. It's kind of, I know, kind of bullish signal to me. Bullish signal. Nothing is bullish right now, but you got the point. But ES also trying to stay above 10 a.m. open. I mean, nothing makes sense right now. It's just like really shit, guys, all day. You said like there is big bearish OB. Okay. At this point, next question. Do you want to trust lower time frame big bearish order block if medium time frame and high time frame still kind of bullish? Why you want to try? Like, let's just discuss, because I definitely can be wrong. I always accept this. But looking at this picture on ES, like looking at this picture on ES, what's the reason to trust lower time frame bearish OB if overall structure looks bullish? I mean, it's looking like nothing. It's not like at this specific second, it looks shit. Okay? It's not bullish. It's not bearish overall. It looks like shit right now. But honestly speaking, I don't know. Makes sense to, I know, to continue rising higher. Maybe. I hope so. I need to open yes here. But guys, for sure, today, one of the worst days I ever seen. It's not about like taking losses. It's not about like blowing accounts. It's like really one of the worst price action I ever seen. Guys, if you decided to skip IM session, like, I usually don't say this because once again, I don't want to blame markets for someone's mistakes or like simply because we didn't see any setups. But today's price action is just crazy. Once again, maybe they building liquidity for something. But yeah. Wildest price action I ever seen. PPI tomorrow. We will see. Let's see if gold can displace above 44.70. Really struggling here. You think my friend also told me like it's gonna be Asia long, but you want to like it's even like crazy to think about this. How IM session and PM session did nothing. We didn't take anything. Okay, we took CPI low on yes. That's it. Once again, I kind of expect to get kind of bullish move tomorrow, and I think lots of people will have FOMO tomorrow. So it's gonna be early entry with continuation during like IM session. So we will wait probably for manipulation or do the swing, and it's not gonna happen, and it will just expand higher ideally. So I hate to trade pre-market, but I believe we have to engage around like 9 a.m. or right after like news 8:45 around. So I believe once again it's gonna be continuation setup during IM session, and if you're not going to engage like first 15 minutes, we're probably gonna have lots of FOMO tomorrow, which is like, not great. I mean, I know like lots of people are expecting to get down move as well, but I'm not like going to argue about this because I can see the future. Oh yeah, it's more than trade from evaluation. Yeah, sure. We took 2 trades today on eval only. We didn't even trade funded today. We took the trade at 10:40 a.m. today, and we're still holding somehow. We survived. It was tick away from stop loss. $9.20. What I see 9:20 is, okay, not at 9:20, but at 9:08, we have 10 a.m. open. So basically 4 candle open. It's still current 4 candle open here. Besides this, I see nothing. So I already played with my son. I got my lunch. Right now, my son with my husband went to school to pick my second son from school. Then they will go to dentist for second child. So I'm gonna stay at home alone. Today is not workout day. And when I back to office, I saw like I'm still in this trade. I was like, let's stream this. Like, why not? So I'm out. Okay, let's do this. You said 9:20, right? Okay. Which time frame? It feels kind of weird because if I'm going to put random line on my chart, it's gonna be like something there, I mean, of course, like, once again, if I'm going to put like line here, I can see like, oh yeah, like we expected 10:20 here, 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 here. But if I'm going to put random line, like let's say 800, we're also going to expect this. GC is doing? Oh, nothing yet. I want to get in longs above 70. Let's try to find more logical explanation of 9:20. Sorry, guys. I know. For me personally, it means nothing. Unless it's like possible change in the state of delivery, but possible change in the state of delivery on hourly sitting at like 9:19. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Kind of, for me personally, means nothing, I guess. Also, we have equal highs on Q at 30,094 or 98. I don't remember for sure, but no, I can be wrong as well. Like, we learn from each other. That's perfectly fine, guys. Come on. That's perfectly fine. When price is barcoding, like, once again, guys, seriously, we're here to help each other. If I don't know something, I'm always happy to learn. When price is barcoding is downward, that is accumulation. Accumulation does not need to be sideways. Oh, that's an actually interesting point. Once price broke above the wedge, longs were initiated. Okay, got it. See, like, always have room to learn something new. By the way, guys, did you see? I decided to run giveaway. Ouch. Giveaway for new Lucid Daily account. So I just got some avals to trade, but I'm gonna do giveaways for them. Of them. Today, let's do just one. Winner will let me know how he loves Lucid Daily, because Lucid Daily, it's new, completely new plan from Lucid. Interesting to know opinion. Guys, do you trade with Lucid Daily? Who passed account? Share your experience with us. Did anyone pass account with Lucid? Lucid Daily, new plan from them. Now gold doesn't want to displace above 70 yet. It's fine, we will wait for second chance. Expansion barcode for 2 hours. Expansion barcode for 2 hours. Such a beautiful price action. This is wild. That's actually wild. Guys, raise your hand if after this kind of price action you feel like you know nothing about trading, you have no idea how to trade. Hey, it's me. It's me. The rest of the day I will feel like I know nothing about trading. What is trading? How to trade? Excuse me? That's me. Every single time when this happens, like this consolidation happens, and I, guys, not going to lie, have no idea where market is going, like no idea where market is going, I feel like I know nothing. Like, what trading is? Excuse me? You drop your, because of me, it's your fault. You know, like, it's also a funny story. When something like if my husband broke something or dropped something, and I'm like couple of like meters away from him, it's my fault. Because I was breathing so loud, I was looking at him. It's my fault. Always. First time ever not losing in chart day. I took first, by the way, today I took loss. With this trade, I'm gonna finish it at break even. Like, I'm gonna make $0 and on the vals, guys. I'm not gonna hide this. I took 2 trades and both on the vals. Come on, come on, come on. He's playing with fire. I know why he cannot understand this. Barbara, you can see my live. That's so funny. I didn't plan. Well, guys, if you just joined and you were on IM Sessions team, I didn't plan to stream PM, but I'm still holding IM session long that we took together at 10:40. I just added at the bottom, not really at the bottom. Like once it failed to close below 70.5% on SPX here, over here, see at 11:40 a.m. I added around like 11:48, 11:50. I just added to my position, and somehow I survived. That's why I decided to keep trading this on Steam, because we took the trade together. It's not like off Steam or something like that. It's still same execution from my IM session. That's it. Am I banned? Nope. Why? I took partial, guys, at 77.77. I mean, you saw what is this. I feel it's bullish. I mean, it's 50-50, seriously. It can be bullish, it can be bearish as well. No, it's SPX. SPX on my screen. How can I... Like on NinjaTrader, it's a yes, because I trade ES now. But on my TradingView, it's SPX. I trade SPX levels. So many fake signals today. So many 2-minute order blocks on SPX from OT. So many of them failed. That's wild. I mean, it depends where you're going to put stop, when you want to put your stop loss. But if below near swing low, it failed like several times. See how NQ holding at 10 a.m. open? Need some sort of expansion above to start talking about longs. Damn it. That's crazy. For trading Q symbol, SPX, SPCFD. Now, like now or never, seriously, I don't know. It's new for our candle open, guys, just opened. We have like new for possible accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So the question is, where are we gonna manipulate? Down or up? I mean, we don't know, right? Do you think? I don't think anything. I just survived in this long that we took together in the morning, so I decided to just keep trading this until like 2:30. Because after this, we're gonna have class, jiu-jitsu class. And I was alone at home. I already had had lunch. I played with my son. I had 2 Zoom meetings today. And I survived in this trade. So I already done with everything I had today. Like, why not to Steam? Because it's same trade, nothing changed. I don't need to go to the gym today. I don't need to drive anywhere. Just let's continue trading this trade. Maybe, guys, maybe like something like happens, magic in this world, like something like really crazy is gonna happen and we're gonna hit our TP, which most likely not going to happen, but you never know. At least partial helped me to recover my morning loss. At least break even on the day, which is already good. I scratch them. Which side to pick? Guys, for example, on Monday and today is Wednesday, these 2 days, I swear, I have no idea where market is going. I already told you, like, after this kind of days, I feel like I know nothing about trading. Like, nothing at all. And even right now, I have no idea what market wants to do. Maybe nothing. Maybe it's gonna close here, London session, partial. It's better to try to trade, I would say, Asia, maybe. High frame looks bullish. That's why I was long twice today. I feel basically good. I had lunch, so I don't really worry about this trade, but I just trying to collect data because we're building, guys. My husband promised me to build indicator, and for this we really need to collect data. I don't want to say, like this strategy has 100% win rate. Because not. I need to collect data, like not only backtest data, but also forward test data to write indicator if it's like even makes sense to do this. That's why I traded. Oh god, such a dirty band. That's why I traded like twice today. Same setup. Last, then we will see how this one is gonna end. But I need to collect this data. You want to have indicator. Everyone wants to have this indicator on SPX. For this, we cannot blindly like pick cherry picked examples, right? We need to have data to work with to understand, like, this one actually works. I mean, yes, guys, we executed 3 months, and so far so good. But more data, it's even better, right? To write indicator and overall collect data for the future. So basically, I'm really trying to help us spending money on these evals to collect data, forward test data. Because, I always okay, let's say, like, you can say, Dasha, you could just, like, draw this risk reward tool and that's it. Like, why are you trying to trade this? Because, of course, when I just look in hindsight, even in like when I'm trying to forward test this, I risk nothing. Like, maybe I'm not gonna trade this because I kind of don't like this. No, if like conditions are here, I need to execute them to understand, because once I build indicator for everyone, we need to understand like which conditions actually better to avoid, right? So really trying to help us. So we'll spend money on novels. It's okay testing this shit, but I'm trying like best for us, so we can trade, like we can build indicators to understand like which conditions like most likely we're not gonna trade. Let's start looking for shorts. Shorts? No thanks. Guys, my son, like, youngest is 5, oldest one is 7. And yesterday we went like out to eat. And my 5 years old, he loves, guys, chess. He's young, but he's so good at this. And I downloaded like chess game on my phone. I have no idea how to play chess. Like, really, guys, have no idea. MMXM, like, no idea. And my son was playing, he's 5. He was playing chess, and I was like, damn, how you do this? Because he won 2 games in a row. I was like, how you do this? How you do this? Guys, enter giveaway. Enter giveaway for Lucid Daily. Running giveaway for new eval. Enter giveaway for Lucid Daily plan. New plan. Oh, interesting. You know, I downloaded just first games that I saw in App Store. It calls chess. This one. Like, just chess. And he was playing yesterday. I'm like, how you do this? That's crazy. Mm-hmm. In trading? Oh, yeah. I hope like in 10 years, I will make enough money to not to trade. Unless it's really addiction. Guys, we have private chess classes. It's sooner gonna be 2 times a week, but so far just every Saturday. We have private chess class with Russian teacher. Like offline. He drives to our house. So yeah. And also we're watching like lots of videos on YouTube how to play chess. I'm slightly is a keyword here. Yeah, lots of like interesting videos on YouTube how people play chess. I like it. Definitely nice one. Damn, gold looks good as well. Ah, Dasha relax. I mean, gold looks better than in Q&A, so. Pasha. That's funny, I actually like it. I mean, it's good addiction to play chess. It's good for your brain. At least you don't waste time scrolling, like, let's say, TikTok or Instagram. Good one, right? You need trading coach. Okay, like real Russian? Because I'm not Russian. I'm Belarusian. But yeah. What can you offer? What can you offer? Yeah, exactly. It's always good. Like it's always good at any age. Magnets help you think so? We'll see. I like how AES trying to hold SPX and AES trying to hold 10 AM open and weekly open. Really good. But at the same time, still just stuck at 10 AM open and NQ. I mean, I hope it's gonna bounce, but just shit. You know, like it's like expansion. Chop, chop, chop. Another expansion. So maybe. SPX finally. I mean, I hope so, but God. How to pass accounts safely? Like, just need to have good risk management. Treat your evaluation same way as your live account and funded account. Risk amounts that you're willing to afford to lose. For example, you know, like you cannot afford to lose on your funded or live account more than $250. Do this on Eval as well. So right now I'm buying evaluations to like practice and collect data for strategy we're trying to build together on stream. We're gonna be first people who's gonna build strategy on YouTube with collecting data and without selling and without like fancy names, anything. Like we're gonna do this together. I buy evals for this, but so far didn't blow anything good. But this year I spent a little bit more than $6,000 on evaluations, like including activation fee. A bit more than $6,000 on evals on accounts this year, which is like not bad, right? But I feel like with this first section, I'm gonna spend more, guys. Fortunately, one payout covers all expenses, which is good. Oh yeah, $250 a day on 50K evaluation. Yeah. Yes, of course. When you have intraday trade and drawdown, guys, please learn how to take partials. No matter how bad you want to hold, like, learn how to take partials. Seriously. This will save you from blowing accounts because of intraday trailing. Jokes aside, like, seriously. Left hand people smart? Of course. You think otherwise? I mean, of course. Why I need my WhatsApp? Oh, with take profit trader, it's really not hard to like pass, build buffer, and get payout. So I would say, for me, way easier. Like for me personally, way easier to get TPT accounts because it's way easier for me to get payout faster. It's my opinion, but with TradingView a bit hard because I trade Lightning funded accounts and I have consistency. So guys, I need to like $200 on TradingView because of consistency to request. Annoying. But yeah, with TPT, it's truly not hard on 50K. Funded accounts, build a buffer, technically $2,000. Everything above this is your payout. Like, I love this. Like, daily payout still, yes. Like, yes. Guys, from the bottom of my heart, if you're looking for prop firm to try take profit trader. Yes, you're gonna have intraday trailing on funded. But guys, trust me. I love this. It's like one of the best so far prop firms for me. Then it's gonna be listed in TradingView. That's my top 3. Oh yeah, I'm trading MES. Yeah. We took this trade at 1040 together. Like if you weren't on my IM session stream, you can watch. I just added at the bottom. That's why my average moved lower. You never used intraday trading on funded? I mean, guys, I don't really pay attention on this. You see, my risk is really small. So it's really hard to blow accounts when you risk on 50K, $250, and you have $2,000 drawdown. It's really hard to blow. Unless you chasing the price, chasing the move every 10 seconds. I trade on Ninja Trader. It's Ninja Trader. This one is Ninja Trader. Here. Over here. Gold really trying. Gold really trying to bounce. Part of me likes this. Another part of me is saying Dasha. Okay. Gold looks good as well. Seriously, don't understand people who hates intraday. Why? How much you really risk that you really hate intraday so much? What is your risk per trade? I cannot even imagine. Because I never ever had problem with intraday, but I have most of my accounts, most Apex and TPT are intraday. Once you build the buffer, guys, you're safe. You don't need to care about intraday anymore. On 50K, you need to make $2,000, a bit more than $2,000. You're safe after this. Why are you hating this so much? It's disgusting price action everywhere. Seriously. Yeah, intraday change drawdown. Yeah. Make your account safe again. That's a nice one. Intraday 50K, $250. Small risk. Guys, as long as you're below the buffer, you don't risk a lot. Take your time. You don't need to build your buffer same day once you got funded account, okay? Gold playing dirty games here with me. How many contracts depends on risk. For example, let's consider example for, let's say, we entered here and my average right now is 64. I'm gonna show you the difference. Just difference. My average here now. Let me switch for 1 second. So for example, 2 longs, right? Amazing, perfect 2 longs here. First long is 14-point stop loss, another long 5-point stop loss. On both, we need to risk $250. Right? 14-point stop loss. It's with 1 micro is $70, right? This means you can afford to trade 3 micros only. Not more, because we want to think about commission as well, right? While here you have 5-point stop loss. If you want to think about commission, you want to trade 9 micros. So, which means you don't have default amount of contracts you need to trade, right? It's always gonna be different. Sometimes it's gonna be 3 micros, sometimes it's gonna be 9 micros, see? But you're gonna have same risk all the time. I trade MAS now. MAS. MicroS chart. See? That's my difference. On 25K, not more than $200. That's maximum. And as long as you're below the buffer, not more than this, guys. Just trust me. You need to understand, you don't need to be in rush to build the buffer. Okay, let's do like that. Okay, 1 second. So I never had everything above 150K, so I don't know, seriously. Here, I would say between this amount. That's your risk. As long as you're below the buffer, you can increase your risk once you build the buffer. Buffer is your drawdown amount, for example, 50K, $2,000 plus $100 on top of this. So 2,100, okay? So once you build the buffer, you can increase your risk per day. But so far, guys, if you're below the buffer, consider this risk a day, okay? Not per trade. That's important to keep this in mind. I hope it helps. Is it a bigger shit, you know? You're right. Is it freezed? Or really not moving? Guys, you know, I tend to take partials on one, like when it's 1 hour, 1.2 hour. I guess it's not the problem, especially when you have intraday challenge drawdown. If you can like lock some profit, guys, do this. You'll be one step ahead to build the buffer, right? Even if it's gonna be small profit, take it. Gold's so annoying. Like, I really, guys, I don't really have FOMO, but a part of me like wants to try this so much. I'm not gonna lie, I really like this trade on gold, but either I'm so exhausted after this ES long, I don't know, but part of me really wants to try this, but another part of me trying like, Dasha, stop. It's like, it's already too much for you. I'm gonna post link for giveaway one more time. I mean, you know, I really want to like execute this gold as well, but if I wasn't in this like ES for like 4 hours, guys, I'm on this trade for 4 hours. We took this long together millions years ago. Okay, guys, quick buffer break. I'm gonna come back now. Don't leave. Just bomb this. That's wild. Gold looks manipulated. I would say it's manipulated like really everywhere now. I'm gonna check in Q 1 second. This is what I wanted to do before. Oh god, seriously. Like, I mean, you're right about 920, but at the same time, why are we holding this? I mean, good news, SPX trying. We have Lumi level, which is possible already changed the state of delivery at 84.75. We'll take more there. Because honestly, guys, I don't think we have enough time to bounce a lot. So I'm just gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but yeah. We'll lock as much profit as I can. I want to check how high from chart on you know what? It's actually, I know, it's actually a good closure. It's actually good here. We got inversion for our chart. I mean, definitely we can retrace back to this inversion to trade just to the test, but at least one would signal. Dasha is Indian. White Indian is crazy. Why it's crazy? I don't think it's crazy. I feel like I saw some white Indians. No? Why it's crazy? I don't think it's crazy. Actually, Indians super smart. Like, jokes aside. When I lived in North Carolina, like, since Microsoft there, some Google offices there, like, lots of Indians there, like, they're super smart. Price go down. Price, please go somewhere. Do you mean I don't think so. Never met in person, I guess. Or I don't remember. When I was at university, we had like lots of Indians. They were great, seriously. I don't know. Probably no. Yeah, Pasha. Also, like Google offices, lots of Indians there. It's actually so good. I really like to see this. Apple, Microsoft. It's good. As well as lots of Russians there. Mexican dance. I'm holding this fucking long since 10:40 a.m. That's more than wild. Like, no words to describe this. I just added at the bottom. I added at the bottom to my trade, partial to cover my loss from my first long. Damn! Speak Spanish? Are you kidding me? Like, seriously. Let me show you what happened. So, I was trading only SPX today. So first trade, I mean, obviously it's a loss. You saw this, everyone saw this. Second trade, we entered together. I don't remember from where. From here? I think so. It was tick away, okay, 3 ticks away from stopping me out on ES. I was somehow lucky because market makers, like, they said, like, Dasha, you deserve W. Today I said, like, of course, like, it's not the problem. I will take it. Okay, I added, like, somewhere here. Once I saw price fell to close below 70.5%, my stop loss was, like, really couple of points. Basically, I left same risk. And I partialed over here. I'm about to take another partial. Just praying. For a second partial. And I'm gonna be green on the day, which is, like, wild. It's actually more than wild. I mean, you know, I already played with my son. I had lunch. I had 2 Zoom meetings today. And when I back to my, like, computer, I was like, I'm still in trade? Let's stream. Let's finish this trade on stream. And I come back. Because, like, no one at home right now. My husband with my son went to pick my another son from school. Then they will go to dentist. I'm not sure he actually got... 1 second. Oh, God. I think they're gonna be late to jiu-jitsu classes because they didn't take any clothes. And of course, he's gonna blame me because I did not remind him to take jiu-jitsu classes for kids. That's why they're gonna be late because of me. Gold! I mean, thank you at least for playing this. Black belt. So they have white belt and 2 stripes on this. They're too young. Black belt, that's nice. Of course, it's my fault. I have to remember everything. Yeah, I need to be fast. I need to blame him first, so he will not have time to blame me. Mexican. What? Race? Like, what are you talking about? What is going on? We support every single person here. At least me. Yeah. This background. This one. I need to, like, connect my DJI camera so I can show you my office. But I'm not going to do this now because I don't know how to do this. Indicator. So guys, I'm collecting data and we do this together. So my husband will build indicator, so I need to be in good relationship with him. So I will not hate him, he will not hate me. So we will work on the indicator together because without him I can't do nothing, guys. Going to reverse. Please, let's go to the moon. No reversal. Like imagine like we were like 1 point away from my second TP, and it's really hard to get this. I mean, well, I just want to see buy side on SPX. Next TP is gonna be possible hourly change in the state of delivery. Who gives a shit? You talking with me? So I'm holding $1,000 unrealized PNL. A realized PNL, negative $50. I mean, even if it's going to come back to break even, I'm gonna just finish flat. But right now, which is good actually. I'm just trading 6 evals right now. I'm holding almost $1,000 of unrealized PNL. To be more specific, $963.75. Or Latvia, I think it's Dasha. Brand of this chair. Oh god, 1 second. It's not cheap one, by the way. Mama. I wish my husband could be here, sit here, because I don't know. I can find. But it wasn't cheap one. I don't know. Yes, this one. Yes, this one. This chair, yeah. Miller, yeah, this one. Yeah. I ordered this in June, I guess. Yeah, it's super comfortable, just worth it. They get upset. Husband, love you. I know you're watching me probably. You are the best. Thank you for 12 years, actually. No, 10 years. Whatever, like. Thank you for your perfect time we spent together. Give me buy side on SPX. It's interesting if my average will move lower or higher, because I was adding like 1 by 1 contract. Like 1 contract and another 1 contract. Let's see if buy side will be taken on SPX. Finally good move. SPX for the win. Second trade, guys, it took millions years to play out. Oh, yeah. Oh, god damn it. I got married when I was 18. You win in the trade? What? I took a loss before. I was convinced to take the trade again. It will be crazy, fucking crazy trade. 4 hours in this trade, guys. 4 hours. We took this at 10:40 a.m. It's wild. And you also trying. Like, consider the fact, guys, we entered this long time ago. I'm proud of ourselves. Proud of us. Okay, ours. Us. If I got married 10 years ago when I was 18, so how old I am? Probably 16. Or 38. Oh, yeah. I am not old. I'm 18 forever. What are you talking about? Ah. So I kind of like 7784.75. It's possible I already changed the state of delivery, but NQ doesn't want to move. I guess it can be my concern since NQ doesn't want to move. But at least we displace above this level, and we still, guys, I don't think about 920 level, because once again, it's just interesting possible support and resistance. But I want to think about 10 AM open. Nice reaction from there. Gold good. Oh, gold actually looks so good. Trade based on, so it's my second trade today. Trade was based on SPX levels. So this morning, we expected to get reversal. Sorry, lots of levels, but I need to have them on my chart. So this morning we expected to get move towards the OTE of RTEG gap to long to buy side that remains higher on SPX chart over here. See, it's like 77.68. It's not ES, it's SPX chart. So our plan was, if you're gonna hit 62% or 70.5% of current SPX RTH gap, and it will offer 2-minute order block, we will try to long to buy side. So my first trade today was at 10.26 or so, 24, I don't remember. We took this on Steam. I entered long, target was buy side, stop loss was at 62% of RTH gap. As you can see how it ends, I'm in loss. Second entry was right after this. Once price retraced back from 70.5%, it wasn't able to close below. I tried again at 2-minute OB, but I put stop loss on. I was trying to convert the price on ES, and I put stop loss at 77.59, I guess, as long as I remember this. So it didn't stop me out. It really was a couple of ticks away for stopping me out. 3 ticks away to be more specific. So we took this trade together as well at 10:40 AM. Target remained the same buy side. Stop loss never hit. So once I saw price failed to close below 70.5% again, I added to my position. That's why my average moved over here. That's it. I mean, I take it partials because I don't think we have enough time to bounce a lot. But, We never know. And I'm just keep holding this trade. So basically it's trade from this morning. It's just my second trade we took together. Based on SPX gap. That's it. Yeah, we're approaching power hour. Let's see, maybe will something happen? Maybe not. Maybe yes. Power hour. Yeah. Please, I mean, like, you know this, like, nothing changed. Like, let's talk about this. If you're, like, really interested in this trade idea. Let's uncover it, like, on my website. Wait, 1 second. So, like, we're picking this topic here. So what we expect to get? If sell side taken or buy side taken, near buy side or sell side taken, we anticipate to get pullback to OT of RTH gap. So between 62 and 70.5%. So actually we can, do you have example with short? Yeah. So buy side liquidity was taken on SPX. You can open SPX chart, you will see this. But we weren't able to short simply because 2-minute order block never was offered. But let's say if 2-minute OB was offered, we could short to OT. But if draw remains like higher or lower, what we can do? We can either long from OT if it was dropping before, or let's say it took sell side, went to OT and the draw remains lower. At this point, it remains higher. We want to short. So what happened? Let's say buy side liquidity taken on SPX. We anticipate to get OT retracement of RTH gap. If 2-minute OB forms, if 2-minute order block forms, I want to try to long with stop loss below swing low, and I'm gonna aim for draw that failed to be taken. So at this point, it was this one. See, buy side liquidity taken, retrace down to OT, 2-minute order block offered, failed, 2-minute order block offered. I mean, we're still in this trade. I don't know how it's going to end, but target remains higher. So buy side remains higher. I want to say something, but I forgot what I want to say. Forgot. I saw something, but I saw gold. Damn it. Fuck. Guys, you had to force me to take this trade. So good, such a good trade idea. You had to say like, Dasha, take it. Okay, it could be, once again, it could be an eval, whatever. But still, scam. I discussed this, like during the IM session, we talk about long on gold. We wanted to see, actually, let's talk about this now. Can you see gold chart? So trade idea behind this was we wanted to see reaction from, no, let me open actually like that. Trade idea on gold was we wanted to see price retracing down to OT of this 8:30 AM week. This one. I talk about this my OT lesson on YouTube, on my website. If you don't like my accent, you can read lesson on my website. MXM, please send this. So I want to see, like, we're going to OT, right, of this week. And I said I want to see down close candle. Right after this, I want to see up close candle. And next up close candle gonna be our entry. Like this. Stop loss near swing low. Target gonna be, once again, I want to be conservative because I just realistic. Like, we will not bounce here, okay? Like, trying to be realistic. Like, really small chance to go there. But we have possible 15-minute order block. See the down close candles on 15? So I call this Lumi level, but it's possible change in the state of delivery on 15. That's why I said I might consider long, but I will close at 44.83. That's it. We talk about this like this morning. Painful, But it's fine. I mean, I don't have FOMO. Happy it play out. Almost play out. You're very welcome. Like, always happy to help if you have any questions. Thank you so much. After having second child, guys, I already lost, let me convert, like 60 pounds. 60 something, like 65 pounds I lost after second child. Thanks God, my skin, it wasn't damaged. So it's like, looks good. And it's really hard to say like I have kids, which is good. I work hard on this. But after first child, I look amazing, guys. After first child, it was really hard to say I was like pregnant. Second day after I got my child. When third child, never. It's my nightmare, like jokes aside. I told you guys, most likely depends on your stop loss. But if you decided to like, pick 2-minute order blocks, so many failed today. Once again, depends on when you want to put your stop loss where. Because 2-minute OB was offered here, here, here. Like if you want to put your stop loss here, like you're safe. But if you decide to put stop loss below near swing low, it could fail many times today. Just also need to keep this in mind. I saw this order block with displacement. We tried. I saw this one. I tried as well. So today is really tough. So it's really hard to say which OB was correct. I guess my OB was correct because stop loss was at the right place. But so message from Nathan. Okay, damn. You have more questions? I have 2 sons. That's it. I don't need more. Okay. Two p.m. Dentist. Nathan. FIP settings. Let me send link for lesson, guys. Like today's lesson, today's trades based on one single lesson. It's over here. Let me send the link in the chat, guys. Just read, enjoy. I hope it's gonna be helpful for you. How my day is going? I mean, could be better, but fine. Good. Today's price action. Oh, guys, let's do giveaway. Like, seriously, people waiting. I'm tired as well. Everyone entered. Guys, everyone entered giveaway. Do you need more time? I'm not gonna extend anymore. Okay, guys, last call. Enter giveaway now, okay? I'm gonna give you 1 more minute. Not going to give you more than 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, enter. I know, like, I'm okay with the retracement. But no, actually not okay with the retracement because buy side failed to be taken. But at the same time, ES entered OT, which is good. We partialed. Fine. Okay. Okay, everyone entered, okay. What was the question? I don't remember. I put it... You didn't see my schedule. I put reminders everywhere because I tend to lose everything. Forget everything. Okay, let's start. Guys, 1 winner for these accounts. I am limited with accounts for new plan. Learn to surf. Nice one. Strong reaction from 62%. Actually, in good expecting 920. Wild level. That's nice nickname. Look at this drop from 62. No? Okay, I will give 10 more seconds. Wild, because guys, it was pumping like 5 points for hours and dropped like nothing for a couple of seconds. Watch collections. I don't fear watches. No? I can see him. Okay. Let's do one more time. Guys, I don't think anything about like photoshopping something, like I don't care. Truly don't care. Oh, I see you. I'm gonna send you account right now. As well as I'm gonna send like morning winners accounts. So guys, I'm gonna keep trailing my stop loss. Nice hold, and finally I'm green on my evals today. Evals, it sounds funny, but yeah. Everything is red flag, you know. I don't think anything like seriously, like nothing to say. I don't Photoshop anything, like, it's the most important part, I guess, until market close. I don't think I can, because what time is it now? 3 p.m. Because my kid's gonna back home, like, maybe in 5 minutes. It's gonna be super loud. And they tend to go, like, to say hi, because when I'm just preparing for a stream, like, on Sunday, they always, like, hi to camera, like, no one watching, fortunately. But they tend to, like, enter the room and say hi to everyone. My husband against this, by the way. He doesn't like when I show my kids. I mean, I don't care, but he cares. I'm gonna hold, you know, guys. I was holding for 5 hours. I will hold like another hour because I have to close positions like around like 4:15. If it could bounce up, I could say thank you so much because I deserve this. Damn it. Yeah, still above weekly open, 10 a.m. open. Why not to hold? What time is it? 3 p.m.? I'm already green on the day. It just really, guys, I'm collecting data because I'm going to work on new indicator, basically on this model, which needs to show like stop loss placement, entry point. It's not going to be like signal indicator, but it will help me a lot. And what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to collect data for this. So I have backtest data, I need to collect forward test data. That's why I execute today, like I executed twice today just to see if I'm right. I can actually trade this kind of conditions. I'm not going to trade this kind of conditions. It's my spoiler, guys. Not going to do this. Like FU. Like really fuck it, guys. But yeah, like conditions are here, guys. Long was only setup I saw today. Even if it failed, like how many times? Like one time. Still setup is here, model is here. Not going to argue with this. Final TP must be this buy side on SPX, and I'm gonna try to hold this unless it's gonna stop me out in small profit. But I do need to close, because for me it's very important to understand, like, in these conditions, slow market, is it even possible to hit like final TP like with no volume? Oh, just trying to explain. Better than red. I could be like okay with red as well. Like, you know me. So my husband said he's gonna use Claude to build indicator. He's better at this than me, guys. So let's see if he can help me with this. He said he can, but it's really like we need to collect data to understand like which conditions to avoid to trade. It's really hard to explain this like to Claude when you're trying to build indicator. You need to like have good prompt for this, right? Gold, you're so good. Like, jokes aside, you're so good. Guys, you know, like, I care about my trading. That's it. I need to understand, like, if something will happen, I can, like, save myself with trading. That's it. Like, seriously, I don't need to care, like, if, like, someone can trade or not. I care about myself. That's it. Like, jokes aside, like, seriously, don't give, you know what, like, about someone else. You know, by the way, guys, listen. My husband entered the room and said, you know what? Your long this morning was BS. It was obvious short. And I'm like, I was in second long. He saw this, like right after stream. And I said, you think my second trade is lost as well? He said, like, for sure. Like 100% we're gonna go down. And I'm like, Dasha, it's fine. You choose him. No one forced you. He said, like, you know, it was such an obvious short. Why he said I need to short? 1 second. He said it was sweep. Yeah, I need to find. I don't remember. He said it was super obvious. 1 second. We need to find. Oh yeah, over here. He said it was super obvious short from here because we got sweep. We got sweep here. And you had to short while you entered long there. And he went to the room. I was probably somewhere here, like, I don't near my stop loss. And of course, he said it's gonna be stop loss, like 100% of the time. I'm waiting for him to back home now, guys, to ask, excuse me, explain, please. Maybe not that bad. Trading, He always does this, guys. Like, jokes is not even funny. He always does this. You fired. I mean, I don't react anymore. But it's always like, Dasha, it's okay. Dasha, relax. He didn't provide signals today, right? Hindsight expert entered the room saying, like, you had to short. I mean, seriously? I mean, I see I had to short, like, right now. Where were you, like, 30 minutes ago? Waiting for him, guys. So excited. So excited right now. Rizzy went like 12 points higher. Wow. Yeah, MXM, I know. Need to be ready. I need to be ready. I need to be ready. I need to connect DJI to my computer to show you like my room, but I have no idea how to do this. Because I'm noob, guys, in this. Like, seriously, jokes aside. If you just joined, yes, we trade since 10:40 a.m. Almost 5 hours. We're holding this for almost 5 hours. Entered an AM session, Steam took a break, come back. Still holding. Competition? Actually, you know what? I think so. It's gonna be fun. Yeah. Let me check where they are right now. Oh, are they at home? Oh, almost at home, okay. Ow. Short, I mean, guys, if you see shorts, I'm not going to stop you. Since I'm holding 5 hours, guys, I mean, my stop loss and profit. I will take this. I still believe drone liquidity higher. I'm just not sure if we have enough time to go there today. Car location. When you have Tesla, you can check location on app. Using your app, you can check location. Oh, they back home. Let me close the door because it's gonna be loud. Yeah, that's cool. You also can share your Google profile location. 865. I mean, this job, it's actually W. I will close soon, yeah. Or I'm just gonna let it run until 4 p.m. Just going to finish stream. Trying to understand if they're crying or not. Probably yes. No. This is just too loud. Well, guys, I have to go because I need to cook food for my kids before jiu-jitsu in 1 hour. I need to cook food for my kids. What, Nathan? I'm streaming. I'm almost done. Okay, guys, I will go. I need to cook food for my kids before jiu-jitsu. What?
I can't drink water in 40 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Because of my feet.
Okay.
And I got a balloon.
Good job. How I'm gonna send you account now. Okay, guys. See you. See you tomorrow at 9 a.m. What else? I hope it's gonna be W at least for my second CP. If not, then not. It's okay. Guys, see you tomorrow. W for this hold. At least I saw he had. You heard him, I guess, right? Well, guys, see you tomorrow. I'm gonna cook food for him. Oh, he cannot eat for 40 minutes. Whatever, then. Not going to cook food. Good news, at least. Don't make stupid mistakes. I'm gonna send you accounts that you guys want today for with AM session and PM session, like right now, or maybe in 15 minutes. Gold is going well. I hope it's gonna hit 44.83 area, 84 area. Not sure about big pound, so we will see. So guys, thank you so much. W hold, seriously. I'm not sure how it's going to end. I wish it could end here at buy side, but we never know. I will go. That's it. See you guys tomorrow. Love you. Thank you for support. Thank you for everything. If you want to support the channel, use code LUMI for prop firms. Love you guys. Bye, everyone.